Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. This Ramadan, I'm sharing a crispy and cheesy aloo roll. Soft potato filling, melted cheese inside, and golden crunch outside. Let's start the recipe. Add 2 boiled grated potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons capsicum, 2 tablespoons onion, 1 chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoon mozzarella cheese, and 3 tablespoon breadcrumbs. Mix everything well. Cheese and potato makes a perfect snack combo. Mash potatoes smoothly for better binding. Grease oil on your hands and take a portion of the mixture, shape into rolls and keep aside. Seal rolls properly to keep cheese inside. Prepare a slurry. Add 3 tablespoons flour with 1/3 cup water. Mix well. Dip each roll into the slurry, then coat with breadcrumbs. Breadcrumb coating gives extra crunch. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Aloo rolls are popular iftar snacks. Potatoes provide quick energy after fasting. Cheese adds calcium and protein. Homemade rolls use control oil. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Mozzarella melts beautifully inside. Remove and serve hot. Your Ramadan Iftar special cheese aloo roll is crispy outside and cheesy inside. Serve it hot with chutney or ketchup. Try this recipe at home and share your thoughts. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more Ramadan Iftar snacks.